What's up, y'all? It's your boy Trey, aka Daddy C. Thanks for stopping back by the channel. Clearly, you know what we're talking about today. Kobe is in full effect on the shirt today, and shout out first of all to USA men's and women's basketball for Olympic gold in 2024 in Paris. But we are talking about a classic, man. It's been 15 years since we've seen it. We're talking about the Kobe 4 Protro Gold Medal. So this is a shoe that I really wanted to get my hands on. We just saw the Nike sneakers release. These shoes were limited in production. You know, somebody did say we were going to get a lot of these and Kobe's wouldn't be limited anymore, but I guess that kind of hasn't been the case. So the Kobe 4 Protro, this one is one that was released in 2009 to commemorate Kobe and crew for their gold medal in 2008. You actually get the gold medal with the date inside the insole, 8/24/08. But fun fact is that Kobe did not wear these in the Olympics. All the guys back then were wearing the Hyper Dunk at the time, which was, you know, a high top basketball shoe. This shoe dropped the next year and was the first low top performance basketball shoe that they did, right? But this shoe is all synthetic. Love the coloring on it. You got the red, white, blue, and then the gold, obviously for the Olympic gold. Gold along the collar, around the heel, around that reinforced heel plate, around the toe strap and the toe box. And you see, if you look closely, the toe box has like an embossed kind of snakeskin print on that. Then you've got the red and blue laces with this kind of blue mesh up the tongue. And then you've got the gold Kobe Shishiko emblem, right? That's the Mamba logo. And then let's see, you got a white midsole. And then you got this traction on the bottom, which is just a super, super strong traction, super grippy. Well, you know, you can play hard in these. These will get you through. You're not slipping and sliding on anything. Wear testers, Chris said that this is super aggressive traction. And I mean, just looking at it, you can see that. But I love the color of it. You got like the translucent white, then red and blue. I will say that this shoe doesn't age as the greatest. This white turns a little extra milky, looking more like the Gratitudes, the way that has that milky color to it, but still a dope shoe. I don't care. I love it. One that I always wanted in the collection. Did y'all cop these? Where do you rate these? Fit on the Kobe 4 Protro for me is true to size. It will be a little more locked down in the forefoot area, obviously because Kobe's believed in his shoes, you know, grasping his foot. But you play in these, they loosen up. Even in casual wear, these fit fine for me. They don't hurt at my size. And then you've got the original fly wire that was built into the Kobe 4. So this was the first iteration of fly wire that we saw that later would go on to the fly knits and things like that, where you see the wires like on the Kobe 9s, they're real strong with the fly knit on those. LeBron's and a bunch of other shoes did fly knit with fly wire built into them. But this was the first, the OG fly wire shoe was the Kobe 4. Yeah, man, this is a dope shoe. Kobe and the team, you know, they played hard, did their thing. Kobe playing with LeBron and Carmelo Anthony and a whole bunch of others. You know, they won gold in 08. But yeah, shout out to the men's basketball team for just putting in that work yesterday. Steph Curry got busy, put the game on his back and iced it. Really exciting. If you didn't see that, go back and watch the highlights, man. It was dope. But yeah, these are, again, a pair that I'm not the biggest when it comes to like gold shoes, you know, things like that, but these are special because of the moment that they represent. Shout out to Kobe, RIP, always, you know, to the Mamba. That's my guy. And again, I hope they petition and make this logo a reality. It'd be dope or something like that. RIP to Jerry West, but I think, you know, they could update it. But anyway, my favorite shoe that I picked up recently. Did y'all cop a pair of these? Released for $190. So that's the look for today. Thanks for stopping by, tuning in. Make sure you stop by on IG and tap in there as well at Real Daddy C. That's also on TikTok and Twitter X. But stay tuned, stay locked. We got a lot more in store, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Tap that sub up button on your way out. Peace.